We have finished protecting this side of the distribution center. We have put our rack end protection kits in all the tunnel aisles and at the ends of the rows, pallet rack rows. This is where most of the upright forklift damage occurs, and in this case we used a 44-inch rail in order to protect this upright because it's got a front angle deflector. We also used our 5.5-inch wide post protector to allow for larger foot plates and 4-inch wide channel. You can see how it helps protect the ends coming around corners. This whole side is complete.